Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export Orcaslicer settings. So we will use basically the first method. We have two options, but yeah, let's start with the full backup. This is the best method if you are moving to a new computer or want to keep a complete backup of everything you have customized. So open Orcaslicer and then click on File in the very top left menu bar. Hover your mouse over Export and then click on Export Config Bundle. So export, where it is, config all objects, plate and sliced file, preset bundle. So let's do that. And window will open asking where to save the file. Choose a folder on your computer, but before we have here some presets. So printer config bundle. So yeah, select this one, copy, okay. So we need to select this one also. Now we just need to select where on computer we want to save that. Like that, select folder and export successful. So now if we check here, we will have it right over here. Yes, as I mentioned you right here, it's right here. And we have successfully exported full backup. Now we can also export as an single custom profile, so you can use this method if you want to share just one specific profile, like a final tuned filament settings with a friend. So what you're going to do is go to the left side process panel right over here, select the specific printer filament. So let's say, for example, this one. Click the save icon. Now under the filament, you will select here, for example, this one, edit, and then you will see here the name of this one, and just click here on this floppy disk icon next to it and user preset and click OK. And this is how you will save it. Now what we are going to do again is you will find here in the export settings, you will find the export current configuration. So we can export all plate sliced files, or I can export generic 3MF plate sliced file, something like that. And yeah, this is basically how you can do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.